In the wake of a disaster, many different needs arise around a community. One thing we have learned, people will come out to help their neighbors.
Was I upset at the response time of FEMA and the Red Cross? I said I didn't have time to be upset because I was so overjoyed with the response of everyone else.
When relief organizations such as FEMA or the Red Cross enter the process and coordinate with local organizations, it can slow down response time to survivors and complicate the process to connect volunteers to survivors' needs. During the relief efforts after Hurricane Sandy, locally organized relief centers popped up around Brooklyn and Queens, but there were no means to connect survivors to those centers and those centers to larger relief organizations. Our project, Helply, allows individuals to communicate with each other and relief organizations with that information utilized in real time. Before a disaster hits, individuals sign up via text message or via the website. When an emergency occurs, individuals text in their needs, which are then organized on the Helply website for neighbors and relief organizations to respond to in real time. Helply will send out need requests to members in the network closest to them. This data is stored in the database, which generates a detailed visualization that shows real-time needs and fulfillment. Relief institutions such as FEMA or the Red Cross will be able to use this database to better assess need by area and more effectively deploy volunteers. Other platforms sparked up in the wake of Hurricane Sandy, creating peer-to-peer links, unfortunately haven't survived post-disaster. Our team is focused on a detailed outreach campaign working with FEMA and local grassroots organizations to make sure people know how to use Helply and establishing the base of organizations to use the database. Helply lets people voice their needs, help one another, and allows organizations to serve their communities more effectively in an emergency.